By 2022, the U.S. Navy and Air Force were reporting UFO sightings so frequently, some pilots claimed they were happening almost daily. Many were afraid to speak up, fearful of being ridiculed. But things began to change. The Navy started issuing cards to pilots, outlining procedures for reporting unidentified sightings. Between 2004 and 2021, there were 144 official reports. In 80 of them, the objects were detected by multiple sensors, and 11 incidents involved near collisions with jets. Only one case was ever positively identified. Then came a turning point. Between 2021 and 2022, pilots were encouraged to speak up, and the numbers surged. 247 new reports and 119 older incidents were added. That brings the total to 510 cases, nearly one every other day. These weren't just balloons or camera glitches. Some objects hovered in place, defying the wind. Others accelerated like no known aircraft. Some moved underwater as easily as in the air. Some resembled drones, but stayed airborne far longer than any known model. One infamous triangular object, thought to be a drone, was later linked to camera distortion caused by night vision goggles. Still, many of these sightings couldn't be explained away. That's why the U.S. military rebranded them as UAPs, unidentified aerial phenomena. And more recently, UAPs have become UAPs, unidentified anomalous phenomena, to include those that move underwater or defy physics altogether. In May 2021, officials briefed Congress, and for the first time, the government acknowledged, "We don't know what these things are." Now, they're asking the public and scientists for help. NASA has even joined the investigation. Administrator Bill Nelson said, "We hope it's not an adversary here on Earth that has that kind of technology, but it's something. We're constantly asking, who is out there? Who are we? How did we become who we are?" He adds that NASA scientists are working with the UAPs task force to rule out known natural phenomena. And so far, many of these events remain unexplained. Could these be secret technologies from rival nations? Possibly, but even the U.S. military doubts that. If these were human-built, someone would know. And if they're not ours, and not natural, what's left? That question leads us into the Fermi paradox. There are over 100 billion planets in the Milky Way. At least 30 million are estimated to lie in the Goldilocks zone, not too hot, not too cold, where life could thrive. If even 1% of those developed intelligent life, and if even 1% of that reached spacefaring status, there should be thousands, even millions of alien civilizations. We should be seeing them everywhere. But where are they? That's the essence of the Fermi paradox, posed by physicist Enrico Fermi. If they're out there, why haven't we seen them? Perhaps we have, and didn't recognize it. Or worse, we ignored it. Could UAPs be the quiet evidence of an ancient galactic civilization monitoring us? Or are we witnessing new breakthroughs in human technology, cloaked beneath secrecy? We still don't know, but one thing is clear. Something real is flying through our skies, and infinity beyond will be watching closely.